Hey, hey, hey. I am now going to show you how to insert your leaf template from Schoology and start your leaf pile, okay? So I'm going to go to Schoology. I'm going to go to Wednesday in Unit 2, or you can go to Tuesday if you're 1 through 4, Wednesday if you're 5 through 8 block. And I posted the template for you. Some of you, the template is underneath the video. Some of you, the template is above the video. So I'm going to use Leaf Template 2. I'm going to click on it. I don't want that one. Let me go back. I'm going to use Maple Leaf Template 4. Maple Leaf Template 4. I'm going to right click it and click Copy Image. Okay, I'm going to click Copy Image. Go to my Sketchpad tab, and I'm going to click Control V. Okay, Control V. Okay, make it nice and big. There's another method. I could also download it to my computer. So if I right click it and choose Save Image As, this is what you're going to do if copying it is not working for you. Okay. I'm going to go to my happy face where it will say clip art. So the happy face right here. Okay. And then you're going to click on load your own image. Okay. Load your own image. Then I'm going to click my leaf. And there it is. Okay. So you're going to make sure that your leaves are the same shape. Erase my lines so I don't confuse you. Okay. So I'm going to make sure that my leaves are the same shape. And to do that, I'm going to make sure that the same shape, same size, same size, same shape. So you're going to rotate them and overlap. Rotate and overlap. Copy, paste, rotate, overlap. Okay. I'm going to paste it again and overlap it. Paste it again. And I'm going to keep doing this until my page is filled. So I'm going to speed through this a little bit. Okay, I'm going to speed. So what I have done is uploaded my image and loaded it on. Then I'm going to rotate it. You're going to do the same thing traditionally. Use the same template over and over again. And then make sure that your leaves are overlapped and that there are no empty spaces or any negative space. Okay. And it's just about full. And so this is what it will look like. Okay. So if this is where you need to be before you start coloring it. All right. So this is the step where you fill the page with leaves and you're making a leaf pile.